Good morning, student. Welcome back the online section. Today's lesson, we completed one lesson, that is rational numbers. In that, you are learned how to add, how to subtract, how to verify the properties like commutative, associative, distributive property, and some special property of rational numbers like identity element, inverse element of rational numbers. Also, you have studied that distributive property over addition and multiplication and absolute value of rational numbers, and you have learned that how to find the number of rational numbers between the given two rational numbers, and how to locate the rational numbers on number line. Today's lesson is a linear equation in one variable. To understand this linear equations in one variable, first thing is, what is a variable? What is a variable? First we should know that. What is a variable? So, variable in mathematics, variable is called algebraic terms. That means alphabets. What the alphabets we are using instead of numbers, they are called as the variables. Okay. For example, we are using so many alphabets. Especially, we are using most commonly X, Y, A, B, like that. P, Q, P, Q, or all the alphabets we are using. So that alphabets, instead of some particular numbers, what we are using the alphabets, they are called as the variable. So variable means the value of the alphabets, it goes on changing. So depending on the situation, that means the equation, what the suitable value it has, that we will know later. Now that is a variable. Variable means the unknown thing in an algebraic expression. So you learned that algebraic expressions in your previous class, like a 6th, 7th standard, and just recall that. Okay. Now, what are the algebraic terms? Algebraic terms are nothing but the terms which consisting of variables, alphabets, and numbers. For example, 8x, 3a, 5b, 7x, 8y plus 3. So like these terms you are studied in your 7th standard. See, these are called as the alphabets. That means algebraic terms. These are called as algebraic terms. And also you are studied the algebraic expressions. The expressions means terms which combine with plus or minus sign, like this. So this is called as a algebraic expression. So, and you are studied in your previous class algebraic expressions. There are so many types, mainly 4 types. That is monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. These are the algebraic expression, types of algebraic expressions you are studied in your previous classes. So monomial, see all these things. These are the monomials. This is monomial, and this is a binomial which consisting of two terms. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. You have studied this, x square plus 5x plus 3. So here 1, 2, three terms. See, these are the three terms. It is called as a trinomial. And the algebraic expressions more than three terms, they are called as the polynomial. Clear? So, monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Now, let us take one more, this one. So, just I am recalling your previous knowledge. Okay. Now, look at this. 5 plus 3. What is this? 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then, here, if 8 is added to something, we will get 15. 8 is added to something, we get 15. So here, this box we don't know. That is called as a unknown. Unknown means we don't know that. So for that, what we are taking? 8 plus x is equal to 15. So like this we are taking. So when you are taking like this and this, here, what is the difference between these two? Difference between these two. Here it has an equal sign. Here also equal sign. Here 5 plus 3 is 8 and here 8 plus x is equal to 15. Unless and until we don't know the value of x, then we can't say this statement is true or false. But in this, we can say by seeing itself the statement is true or false. Right? Because 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So, statement is true. So, such statements are called as mathematical statement. Mathematical statement. And this is called as open sentences. Open sentences. Okay. So here, why it is called as open? Because there is a alphabets. Unless and until we know the value of this, it is not easy to say it is true or false. The statement is true or false. So here in this, the two statements, two sentences or statements, what we know that mathematical sentences and open sentences. In these open sentences, this is called as the variable. This is called as a variable. Variable means unknown. We don't know the value of that. Okay. So, in this, here, this is the algebraic expression. In this expression, there is a equal sign. When the algebraic terms are connected by equal sign, then it is called as an equation. An equation. So equation means what? Algebraic terms connected by equal sign. Algebraic terms connected by equal sign, they are called equation. If the algebraic terms 7x plus 3x, here is algebraic term, here is algebraic term, these two terms are connected by plus sign, then this is called expression. This is called expression. So, algebraic expressions or algebraic expression is having equal sign, then it is called an equation. Clear? This is a algebraic equation. Or what is an equation? Equation means must and should, it consisting of equal sign. Clear? Then Here in this only one variable is there. One variable and its variable power is 1. One variable and its power is 1 and it has equal sign. This is a equal sign. Equal symbol. Equal symbol. So, an algebraic expression having equal symbol and one variable whose power is 1. Algebraic expression consisting of equal symbol and having one variable whose power is 1 is called linear equation in one variable. It is called linear equation in one variable. So, what is an linear equation? Or first thing is equation. What is an equation? Algebraic expression consisting of equal symbol. An equation is a algebraic expression with equal sign. That is called equation. Then in that equation, if the algebraic terms consisting of only one variable with its power is 1. So, main thing is equal symbol. Second thing is only one variable. Here, variable means alphabet. Only one alphabet. And its power is 1. If it satisfies these three, an algebraic expression having equal symbol, only one variable, and its power is 1. It is called linear equation in one variable. Clear? Linear equation in one variable means an algebraic expression having equal sign and only one variable with power 1. Understood? So, this is the meaning of a linear equation in one variable. Now, I am writing some expressions here. Look at this. It is given in your textbook. 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus 5, 2xy plus 5, xyz plus x plus y plus z, x square plus 1, y plus y square, 5x is equal to 25, 2x minus 3 is equal to 9, 2y equals 5 by 2, 6z plus 10 is equal to 2. Now, in this, look at this. 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus y, 2xy plus 5, xyz plus x plus y plus z, x square plus 1, y plus y square. Look at these things. all these are algebraic expressions. These are called as algebraic expressions. See, this is monomial, only one term. And this is binomial with two terms. Here also binomial, two terms. Here is binomial, two terms. And here more than three terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. More than two terms or three terms, it is called as polynomial. And here x square plus 1, binomial, y plus y square, binomial. Okay, so all these things are algebraic expression only. These are algebraic expression. Coming to this part, here, this group, in this group, there is an equal sign, an equal symbol. See, here is equal symbol, here is equal symbol, here is equal symbol. So, expression with equal symbol, it is called an equation. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. These four are called as an equation. Okay. Now, look at this. Here, in this equation, this is called variable, alphabet. Here is x, here is x, here is y, here is z. So, these are called as equation. Okay, equation in one variable. Equation in one variable. See, this is one equation with one variable. This is another equation with one variable. This also one equation with one variable. And this also equation with one variable. Then there is a linear. The meaning, the term linear means one. Linear means one. What one? The power of the variable. The power of the variable is 1. So, this is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1. Therefore, all these four equations, they are called linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Now, if I am writing this as x square, for example, this is x square, then this is an equation. This is an equation in one variable, but not linear equation. Why this is not linear equation? Because power of the variable is 2. Remember, the variable power should be always 1. Then only it is called as linear equation in one variable. Clear? Now, this I am writing as a 3x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y. Then this is a linear equation. This is a linear equation, but not in one variable, because these two are linear in two variables. So all these things, this is a power 2, here is two variables. You are studying these in 9th standard. Okay, so remove these two. So these two are not linear equation in one variable, but these are linear equation. These are the equations because there is a equal sign. So here this and this, these two are called as linear equation in one variable. Linear because the power of variable is 1. This is a one variable, y, here is z, no other variables. So these two are called as linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Just I have written in the short form. Understand? Understood this? Linear equation in one variable. These two. Clear? Understood how to identify the linear equation in one variable. So, your aim is to identify three things. Recognize three things. Which are the three things? One is equal sign. Second one is variable. How many variables are there in the equation? And third one, look at the power of the variable. Power of the variable. Clear? Understood? Now, in linear equation, we have two parts. Linear equation, we have two parts. So, what is that two parts? For example, 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. This is a one linear equation in one variable. How to identify this? See, equal sign is there. First thing is over. Variable, one variable is there. Second condition is over. And its power is 1. So, all the three conditions are satisfied. Therefore, this is called as linear equation in one variable. Clear? Now, this equation, this is called from the equal sign, from the equal symbol, what are there on the left hand side, they are called as left hand side, and this is called as right hand side. So, two things, left hand side and right hand side. Clear? An equation consisting of two parts. One is left hand side, another one is right hand side. Clear? Now, in this, which is the left hand side? 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. Here, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Clear? Similarly, 5k plus 2 is equal to 3 by 2. In this, here 5k plus 2 is left hand side and 3 by 2 is right hand side. So why we should know these things? Because to solve the linear equation, we know all these things, left hand side and right hand side. Now, after this, left hand side and right hand side, now solution for the equation. Solutions for the equation. So solution means, so what is a solution? So second concept, solution. Solution for the equation. Why we want solution for the equation? Because in equation there is a variable. So to know the value of that variable, in order to make it left hand side is equal to right hand side, because it is saying left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, now let us take the previous one. 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. Now, what is the solution for this? The solution is nothing but the suitable value for the variable. Suitable value for the variable for which left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, if let us take x is equal to 1, then what it becomes? 2 into 1 minus 3 equals 9. 2 ones are 2 minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 1 not equal to 9. So 1 is not the solution. So this is the way of finding the solution. See, this is what trial and error method. Before we don't know the steps. So we are doing like this. If the problem is a bigger one, then we can't follow this trial and error method. So directly we should put the value. Now, what is the suitable value for x? If you put x is equal to 6, then 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 9. Then 2 into 6 minus 3 equals 9. So 2 6 are 12 minus 3 equals 9. So 9 is equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to 6 is a solution of this linear equation. Is a solution of the linear equation 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. So, what is the solution? Solution is the suitable value for the variable in order to make a left hand side is equal to right hand side. Clear? So, this is how to find the solution of the equation. Now, finding the solution, that means solving the linear equations. Solving equations which have linear expressions on one side. Linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. Numbers on the other side. Okay. So now how to solve this? Now take an example. Find the solution of. First one, find the solution. Find the solution of 2x minus 3 equals 7. 2x minus 3 equals 7. Now, first thing, using the properties. So, removal of the unwanted things. Now, in this expression, see, this is one linear equation. Why? There is equal sign, one variable with power 1. So, this is linear equation in one variable. So, I am solving this in two methods. One is 2x minus 3 equals 7. First, what we can do is remove the term which is not containing alphabets. See, solving equations which have linear expressions. See, this is the linear expressions on one side. So first, remove the term which does not contain the variable. So here minus 3 is there. So in order to make it a 0, we should add plus 3 to that. So 2x minus 3 plus 3 equals. So whatever you are adding or subtracting to the left hand side, you should do the same thing for the right hand side also. 7 plus 3. Here you added plus 3. Okay. So on adding this, here these things get cancelled. Left out is 2x is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now this is the first step. Now second thing is, we want the variable alone. We want variable alone. So what is there for the x? See, this is called as a numerical coefficient. If the numerical coefficient is in the numerator, then to cancel that, to remove that, we should divide it by the same number. So whatever you are doing for left hand side, do the same thing for the right hand side also. Okay. Now 2 get cancelled. Now what is left? X is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are. So x is equal to 5 is a solution for this linear equation. Clear? This is a one method. Now second method. Second method is the transformation method. What is it is called? Transformation method. Transformation method. Now, according to this method, first what you want to do? you write down the expression or the equation, then shift the term which is not having variable. So here, which is the one? Minus 3. So here you shift this to this side. So what is left? 2x. So as you are shifting this, equal sign moves this side. Here what is there? 7 already is there. And remember one thing, when you already know that when the numbers are shifted from one side to another side, its sign changes. Its sign changes. So minus 3 becomes plus 3. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Then 2x is equal to, add it, 10. Then here the coefficient, that also you should shift. When you are shifting a coefficient, when it is numerator, then when it shifted to other side, it goes to denominator. So x is equal to 10 by 2. Now divide this, 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore x is equal to 5. So these are the two methods to find the solution for linear equations in which the linear expressions are one side and the number on the other side. Clear this? So look at this. In the first method, we are removing the numbers, that means the term which does not contain the variable, by adding or subtracting the same number on both sides. Then here, to cancel the numerical coefficient, we should divide that if it is the numerical coefficient in the denominator. Now, for example, if it is a 2 by 3x, then to cancel this, what you can do is, again, you should do the 2 by 3. Then 2 by 3 into reciprocal of this, then these two get cancelled. So that we will do some more problems like that. Okay. Now, are understood this? So this is what? The finding the solution of a linear equation. Now, I will show you one more. X by 3 plus 5 by 2 equals minus 3 by 2. This is another example. Okay, now in this first method, what is there? X by 3 plus 5 by 3 equals minus 3 by 2. Now here this is the term which do not have a variable. So plus 5 by 3 is there. You add the inverse, additive inverse of that. X by 3 plus 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Remember always additive inverse. Just change the sign. Okay. Now here is minus 3 by 2. You are added minus 5 by 3. So you write on minus 5 by 3. Now here these two get cancelled. Left out is what? X by 3 equals. Now LCM is 6. I am writing directly. You know that how to take the LCM. So prime numbers. So their product is itself the LCM. Then divide this LCM, or when you are taking the product, then cross multiply. 3 3 is 9 minus 5 2 is 10. Okay. Now this is x by 3 equals minus 19 by 6. Minus 19 by 6. Now next is, I am writing here. Now we don't want a 3. Now to remove that, see it is in the denominator. So what you can do is x by 3 into, here this is 1 by 3, its reciprocal is 3 by 1 equals minus 19 by 6 into 3 by 1. So 3 get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So x is equal to minus 19 by 2. This is the solution of this equation. Here, this is one method, right? Equalities. By using the equality laws, we are doing that. Clear this? Now, next, transformation method. I am rubbing this. I am doing again this in the next session also. Don't worry. Just go through by repeating the videos. Right. Now, transformation method, x by 3 plus 5 by 2 equals minus 3 by 2. Now, first thing is transfer this. So, x by 3 equals minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Okay. So, there I did some wrong thing. Instead of 5 by 2, I am taken 5 by 3. Okay. That's why you got a something. Right. Now, here this is x by 3 equals, here 2 is the LCM, then add directly minus 2 minus 5. So, here this is x by 3 equals minus 8 by 2. So, 2 1s are 2 4s are. Then x is equal to minus 4 into 3. So, x is equal to minus 12. X is equal to minus 12. So, this is a what? Transformation method. So, in this method, just know that when you are shifting the terms from left hand side to right hand side, its sign changes. Second thing, while multiplying, you should multiply by the reciprocals. Okay. Then when you are shifting from you are shifting the numerical coefficients from one side to other side, then it goes to numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. That means you are writing the reciprocals. Okay. Now I am again doing that because I did the wrong thing by taking a 5 by 3 here. Okay. So I am rubbing this. So value of x, that means solution for this expression is minus 12. Now look at the same, x by 3 plus 5 by 2 equals minus 3 by 2. So here is x by 3 plus 5 by 2 add minus 5 by 2 equals minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So here these two get cancelled. X by 3 equals, here is 2 is LCM, minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. So 2 1s are 2 4s are. Therefore, x is equal to minus, here next is what? Here x by 3 into, here is 1 by 3. So you make it as 3 by 1 equals minus 4 into 3 by 1. 3 get cancelled. X is equal to minus 12. Clear? This is what? The solution. How to find the solution of a linear equation. Clear this? So, making means repeat these videos and go through the exercise problems or worked example problems in your textbook.